Some disturbing news this evening for homeowners. A new study shows foreclosures last month were up 63% from a year ago. And Tony Guida tells us with many homeowners expecting to see their payments shoot up this year, those numbers could get even higher.
Perry Nicholas, homeowner, had a bright idea. Because interest rates were low, he'd replace the 30-year fixed mortgage on his New Jersey house with an option adjustable rate mortgage, an option ARM.
It seemed like it was fantastic. You know, who wouldn't want their mortgage payment to go down $500-600 a month?
Serious money for any working man with a wife and 2 young children. Perry Nicholas knows he'll never get rich sorting parts in an auto dealership. Here was a chance to get his head above water. Nicholas even added some of that extra money to his payments. Even though they varied monthly, he thought he was making a nice dent in the principal on his loan. But an option ARM loan is a complicated piece of business. As interest rates rose, Nicholas's payments weren't covering them. He was piling up more interest debt. His principal was not shrinking. He didn't see the potential train wreck until it was almost too late.
I knew that it was going to vary, but you only hear what you want to hear. Less money, more money for me, yay! And then when it comes down to actually doing it, it turns into a nightmare.
Michael Mahfouz is a mortgage broker with GMAC. He says there are millions of Americans like Perry Nicholas.
We do find many borrowers weren't aware, of all the features in some of the loan documents.
When the crunch hit, Perry Nicholas moved quickly back to a 30-year fixed mortgage. No alluring low payments, but no surprises either.
You think you're going to shoot and hit the bullseye, I wound up shooting myself in the foot.
Speaking of self-inflicted wounds, listen to this. Rates on $1 trillion worth of ARMs will reset between now and the end of the year. $550 billion worth, more than half of those loans, are in the hands of the least creditworthy borrowers. A huge financial crunch is looming. Tony Guida, CBS News, New York.
Strikes and protests continue in Nepal as that nation's pro-democracy movement